Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today is a special video. Not only is it Taco Tuesday, which we're going to be doing some tacos, but it's also my 100th video. I started Man Kitchen Recipes on YouTube, gosh, I think 2015, 2014, something like that. And I mainly started it for instructional videos for my website, ManKitchenRecipes.com. And then, you know, a year and 5 months ago or so, when I got my pit boss, I just started doing the videos with the pit boss, and it's been going ever since. And I have to thank all of you for even watching my videos. It makes it a lot more worth making the videos, knowing that other people are seeing them and possibly making some of the things that I make just for their enjoyment. So, little backstory, when I was growing up, my dad, he loved to barbecue, and that's probably where I got it from, but he also, when we were teenagers, he always made these tacos, and one of these days I may do them. He made them with hamburger and potato. I don't know if he used potato as a filler because he grew up in an orphanage and maybe they're making the meat go further, I don't know, but that was my dad's famous tacos, and he would always do these taco munches for me and my buddies when we were in high school, and we always have competitions to see who could make more or eat more, and I swear he made anywhere from 50 to 100 tacos every time we had some of my friends over. So I picked up that tradition from him. I do have a brother and sister, and if we ever get together, I'm the one that gets to make Dad's tacos. Of course, his tacos were a lot greasier. I mean, you'd pick them up and they'd run down your arm, but they were delicious. So not only the 100th video, but also a tribute to my dad, and I'll dedicate this to my dad. He passed back in 1983, so he never even got to see the internet, cell phones, YouTube. Even Taco Tuesday, I think, didn't really get started until 1989, maybe. So every year on his birthday and the day he passed, I always have a Coors beer for him because that was his beer of choice. He loved his Coors. And unfortunately, today, I don't have any Coors in my fridge. We finished them last Friday. So anyway, I do have a Yingling, and I know he would have loved Yingling beer. So here, let's just crack one open. And cheers to you, Pops. Thanks for the tacos, the recipes, my barbecuing, everything in life. I miss you. Cheers, Pops. Okay, so Taco Tuesday 100th video. These are going to be grilled tacos. Now, on the Blackstone, gosh, I don't even know. I've seen so many videos, and everybody's making the, you know, the double-decker tacos using the little taco rack. I grew up with fried grilled tacos, and at restaurants, a lot of Mexican restaurants, you'll get them grilled. You won't get those pre-formed taco shells. I mean, when I grew up, those weren't even a thing yet. So grilled tacos, basically on a flat top or on a pan in the house, you kind of fry your taco shells. You grill them. You get them little brown marks on your tortilla for the tacos, and they're really, to me, they're the only way to make tacos. I enjoy a double-decker taco every now and then, but grilled tacos are my favorite. And like my dad, I can't ever make just, you know, half a dozen. I got to go for it. Minimum I'll make is a dozen. Today, we're going to make 30 because the corn tortillas that we got came in a pack of 30, so that's how many we're making. I'm making chicken tacos, and you can check out how I get all this prepared right here. Okay, for this chicken taco munch, I got 5 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just going to cut off the little excess fat here around the sides on them. Get them all cleaned up. We don't want that fat in our tacos. Even though fat is flavor, we don't want the big chunks of it. So, get them all cleaned up, just like this. Pretty easy. Then I'm going to cut them in strips, and then I'm going to dice them we're gonna have small little pieces, and they'll cook pretty fast on the Blackstone. We just dice them up like that. I'm gonna do all 5 of the chicken breasts. I'm not gonna make you watch do all 5, but there's 2 of them. Got 3 more. When we're all done, they're little pieces like that, just like that. And of course, I'm gonna add some garlic pepper. That's my salt, pepper, garlic, as you know if you've been watching my channel. Then I'm going to put some red chili powder from Chili Traditions in Albuquerque. This stuff is awesome. Get it all coated, and then I'm going to throw some cumin on there. Just like that. I'm going to put a little pepper, and I don't know if you've ever seen the pepper trick, but if you use the salt, wheel it around on top like that, it comes out pretty fast. So if you've seen that video on Facebook or anything, hey, it works. Then I'm just going to add it to a bowl and stir it up. Get it mixed real well, and then we'll take it on out to the grill. Okay, I'm going to use some canola oil here, a little bit, like maybe a tablespoon, just to get my chicken cooked up. Once it's heated up, we're going to add the chicken. Yeah, love that sound, right? So move it around, spread it out so it all cooks evenly. Flip it. Pretty simple. A good amount of chicken, but we're making 30 tacos, so we need it. And then as it gets cooked up, I'm going to take my scraper that I use for cleaning the grill. And as the chicken gets cooked a little bit, it's easier to chop up. But I am going to start chopping it up here. I want to get these into little, just real small pieces. It helps fill the taco better, but you can see it's getting cooked pretty good. There you go. There's my chopper. And I just want to chop up the pieces even smaller. Like I said, this helps fill the tacos up. So, getting the chicken all prepared first, you know, hey, you got to do it, right? There we go. Look at that. I'm going to get this off of here in a minute. I'm going to put it in a bowl. So then when I start to fill the tacos, it's easier to grab hold of. Like that. Stick it in our bowl, and then I'm going to clean the griddle up so that we can get our tacos going. Okay, just about got it. There we go. Nice clean grill. Use some avocado oil. Good amount, because we are going to be frying these tacos. And I don't know if you've seen my brisket taco on the stove, but this is how I do it on the Blackstone. Grilled tacos. I have my little rack there to the left, and I got a little backstop for them, so when I start standing them up, it'll help hold them up. So you just put a nice little, I don't know, there's probably 2 or 3 tablespoons of chicken inside. Let it cook up. Get oil on both sides. Get back down there. And this basically is so that you get the taco shells softened up. So when you put the filling in it, they're soft enough to fold over. Get some filling in here, get some chicken in there. Use my tongs, good measurement for putting the chicken in. And you grab a hold of it, fold it over. I can do 6, 7, 8, just depends how hot my oil is at a time. We're going to start cranking these out. And again, you know, I mean, this is pretty easy. I'm not going to make you watch me make all 30 of them. But you do get to watch a few. And then the chicken, if any chicken falls out along, just pick it up with your tongs and put it back in the bowl. This one here is pretty full, so. There we go, there's 6 tacos. That's a good number if your heat's up. I'm using about a medium heat. I don't want them to go too fast, but I do want them to get grill marks on them. Or in this case, I guess you'd call them griddle marks. Get them brown, you flip them over, do the other side. Pretty easy process. You just got to keep doing it until you get all your tortillas done if you're doing a big taco munch like I am. that piece back in the bowl. Whoops. It's all right. Roll it back over. Everything falls out. There you go. You get number 7 going because a couple of them are just about ready, and I'll pull them off, and you just keep the process going. Take one off, put one on. Take one off, put one on. Take 3 off, of course. Put 3 more back on, and look at that. See the grill, the little toasty brown marks on there? Perfect. Perfect. And there we go. 30 grilled chicken tacos on the Blackstone, just like that. Okay, let's get them inside, fill them up with cheese, salsa, tomatoes, sour cream, lettuce, and enjoy. Okay, thanks for watching. That was my taco munch with chicken tacos, grilled chicken tacos. Not a dozen, not 2 or 4, 30 of them. We have a great taco munch. I showed, with all the fixings in it. I didn't bring one out to taste test it for you. I apologize for that, but I had a few people over and we just dug right in. They were awesome. So if you get a chance to make some grilled tacos on the stove or on a Blackstone or any flat top that you got, go for it. Grilled tacos to me are the best. Anyway, thanks for watching. Here's to 100 videos dedicated to my dad, and we'll see you on the next one.